There's a little jump right there. Can we hit it or not? I don't know. Oh. You probably could. Yeah, you got cased out. Big trainer right there. Ah, made it. Yeah, buddy.
Yeah,
I got this. I'll be right.
Chilling. It's easier than the big jump. It's way easier than the big jump.
All right, boss. I'm in. Yeah. Yeah, all right. It was cool.
The bike goes through all the way to the bottom and then it's all over. No, on the red wheel.
No. I don't know. I don't know why I bail. I feel like I was going too fast. It would make a good video anyway.
You're going too slow. No, you're going perfect.
No, I was going good.
Perfect.
That was good. Give me number 2 and you have a go.
I'm alright.
Yeah, alright. That's cool. I want to get comfortable and do a no footer. No footer, no suicider. I used to be all good at them. I just gotta get used to it. That was like a nose bonk, eh?
Yeah.
I meant to do it. Here we go. Have some fun with me. We never get to ride together. That's sick, that's cool. I don't want to lose the feeling. Tag team. I don't want to lose the feeling yet. Yeah, it's good, eh? It's fun.
It's fun.
And just easy, just to fuck around. Okay, come on. Then, but I wasn't sure I was going to make it or not. Alright, you got the 1 footer. No, still not big enough. Not going big enough, am I? Oh, was the guy. Ah. I used to love no-handed landers when I was a kid, like on motorbikes. I had like 50 foot and shit. Oh no! I can't do a trick yet. Oh, I took my feet off. It was gay. It was gay, but I got them off a little bit. I got my feet off just the tiniest bit there, no footer. Oh, yeah. Sick. It's just not enough. Yeah, floaty too. Knack. Knack, knack. Oh, is it?
That's scary.
I used to be able to land like that. You know how you do that landing?
Yeah.
What's it called? Fucking knack, isn't that?
Yeah,
Can lander. That's the one. Oh shit!
But you're going off.
Is this camera on?
Yeah.
There we go. Yep. Oh, I know footage at least. You'll be able to do this, Dill. It's easy. You're an electric head. Oh. Oh, I'm gonna get off. Fucking don't get off again. Stay on the bike. Your consistency is really good straight away. Mine's fucking out of whack.
Nah, you're alright.
Oh, one-hander. Oh, I want a suicide no-hander. Come on. Just do it. Just a nice jump. Beautiful jump. Beautiful jump. And we got this. Took them both off. Did you see how gay it was?
Oh, there was no head on.
Like this one. That one. Huh?
I thought I'd be too scared to take my hands off.
Oh, I am too. Oh, give me two more. Two more and Ryan, go. No, two more. I'll do two more. Yeah, we go again. Right. I even hogged the horn, man. Yeah, you know what feels weird? The seat's so narrow and there's nothing really to hold on to actually do no-handers.
Yeah.
I think. Yeah, one hand's alright. Yeah. Freestyle run. Huh?
There's a water bottle in front of the jump.
Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah, you know what I mean? Like there's not much to grab onto. I can put some grip tape here.
Oh yeah.
Then that would be better.
I reckon
When I let go, I just felt like dropping away from me straight away.
make the jump bigger.
As well.
Because if you make the jump bigger, then you can have the airbag on. You know?
Oh yeah. Keep going a little bit more.
Yeah.
We can, but let's go.
The only thing I'm worried about is if we bail, is ripping my.
Yeah, no. When I bailed, it rolled all the way to the end.
Phil told me.
I'll tell it later. I know what you're saying, but.
Yeah, I get what you mean. Though, like if we make it a little bit bigger, I like tried to go a little bit bigger, and I like.
Start brilliant, yeah. But that's on a motorbike, you get to hear the rup, 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 but this you don't hear nothing.
On
So
this,
it's reminds me of
trying to
snowboarding.
like tap the brake and accelerate in the air and feel it. So
you know, you can do that when you know what you're doing, but I'm just saying just to know what acceleration to go off is nothing to hear. It's like snowboarding. When you go on a snowboard, you can't hear nothing.
Yeah.
So you don't know how fast to go.
Yeah.
And it's real weird. The feeling's real weird. Like, same with this, I suppose. Okay. Shut up. Oh, just wait ahead.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, brah. It's just a good feeling jumping again. Wow.
From behind.
When I hit it like too slow and hard up the ramp, it's like nearly like powers out, like it dips down on me. Oh, come on. Alright. Oh, alright enough. For now. That's good, boss. We got some. We got some. I just want more. Yeah. I remember this yesterday. Funny shit. Oh. I remember you doing that yesterday, the other day. Oh. Nice, this is great. You want to go again? Right?
Sure. What do you reckon?
What trick?
I'm good. I'm just gonna jump more.
Yeah, just, I mean, that's what I didn't need to get yourself. Just knowing how much to accelerate. If you're at your max, you know it'll probably be better.
What's that?
You just put, you know, the low speed one? It's on sports mode.
Yeah.
And you put on low speed, it might not only give you just enough to do what you need to do all the time.
Yeah.
Where that's too much, where
And you accidentally
yeah, you're too much to play with it.
True.
Hey, Ryan. Ryan, on the low speed, it might be better with responsive wise. Yeah, I haven't tried it yet, but.
Yo!
That was sick! Oh, I hope I got that.